So I'm going to be going over 5 of the best cryptocurrencies to stake this year. Now, I love talking about crypto staking because it is a way to generate passive income, and who doesn't love that? Also, if you're not a big trader, this is actually a good way to hodl your coins and make some money doing nothing. Now, I wanted to start things off talking about exactly what staking is, and the Motley Fool does a good job at breaking this down. And basically, staking cryptocurrencies is a process that involves committing your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and confirm transactions. Now, first participants pledge their coins to the cryptocurrency protocol. From those participants, the protocol chooses validators to confirm blocks of transactions. Now, the more coins you pledge, the more likely you are to be chosen as a validator. And every time a block is added to the blockchain, a new cryptocurrency coins are minted and distributed as staking rewards to the block's validator. Now, I know that was a lot, but that is what staking is. Now let's look at the coins that I'm going to be recommending to get into. Just remember, this is not financial advice, but I like all of them, and I'm going to show you where you can do that and start things off with BlockFi. Okay, so as far as staking cryptocurrencies goes in the US, BlockFi is one of the best places to do it. Now, my account's got around $4,000 in it. I'm going to show you what I own on here. Then I'm going to go through some of the different interest rates for the coins that you can buy on BlockFi. Now, I do own a lot of the basic attention token, which is an advertising coin I absolutely love. Then I own like little tidbits of Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Ethereum. If I was going to buy another coin pretty massive on here right now, it probably would be Ethereum based on the interest rate you can get, which I'm going to go over in some of the other things. But you can see as far as total interest paid, I've made $43. And then you've got accrued interest on the right, which is what's piling up every single month that you're going to get paid out at the end of the month. Now, like I said, this is completely passive. So once you put money in here, you will get these payments every single month at the end of the month. And I'll show you some of them down here. Now, the way BlockFi works is they're always paying you on the last day of the month in whatever coin you own. But you could actually switch it up. So instead of having the interest just reinvest into the coin you own, you could actually have it turn into cash, which is pretty cool. So instead of it just being like a dividend payment back into the coin, you could have it turn into cash if you want and do whatever you want with that cash. Now, as far as the interest rates go on here, they look pretty good at first, but it's kind of skewed as to how many you own of each coin. For example, if you own, anywhere from, 1.5 to 5 ETH, it's 1.5%. Then when you go over that amount, it changes. Chainlink 100 to 500 League, it's 0.2. And then you can kind of just go down the list here and look at some of the different coins. Now, even though these interest rates aren't like super high, it's still free money, guys. And that's the whole point here. Also, I forgot to mention, if you wanted to check out BlockFi, I will have some bonus sign up and resource links in the description. Okay, now let's talk about the coins I would buy. Definitely Ethereum on here for sure. I also really like Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange cryptocurrency. It's really good. Chainlink I would buy on here for sure. And then the basic attention token, which I'm holding the most of at the current time of this video. Okay, so now that I've gone over the coins, I wanted to break down one more coin for you guys, which I really like, but it's not available on BlockFi. You can actually get it on Binance US, and it's going to be Algorand, aka Algo. Now, I love the project. I think it's going to do big things in the future. So, averaging into it at its current price makes a lot of sense. Plus, Binance US is definitely an exchange. It's like my go-to exchange for trading crypto, but I'm just going to break it down so you guys can see here. The interest rate is actually really good. It was a little bit higher. The other thing about staking crypto on really any of these different exchanges or platforms or whatever you want to call it, typically they will change the interest rate. Every single month it might change a little bit. But the important thing to remember here is, you want to get into these coins if you believe in them long term and, you just want to hodl them. The other thing I wanted to point out about BlockFi, they do have crypto-backed loans, which is a way for you to borrow money on your crypto, which would actually allow you to leverage yourself and buy more crypto, without having to use your own money. Now, obviously, this is something you'd have to be responsible with doing. It's something I haven't got into on BlockFi specifically yet. I've done it, though, with stock trading many times. I just wanted to point out it's something you can do, but you have to have a minimum of 10,000 and the coins they let you do this with, which are, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum right now are the main ones. Okay, anyways, guys, just to recap, like I said, the coins I would definitely look at staking, especially this year and beyond. Ethereum for sure. Uniswap, Chainlink, the basic attention token, and I would also pick up some Algo on Binance US for sure. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions about staking, feel free to message me below in the comments. Thanks for watching it. We'll see y'all in the next crypto video.